everyone! My name is Curious Fairy, and today we're going to explore all kinds of amazing animals. We'll learn the names of carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores, and find out exactly what each animal likes to eat. We'll also build a big, magical diorama where all the animals can live and play. And guess what? All the animal toys are magical, they will come to life. If you're curious like me, come along, our adventure starts right now. We need to make 3 different zones. 1 for carnivores, meat-eating animals. 1 for herbivores, plant-eating animals. And 1 for omnivores, animals that eat both plants and meat. Let's make 2 beautiful lakes. Right now, I'm making a place for the omnivores. These are animals that like to eat both plants and meat. Let's make the lake shores with little stones. We can line the edges with small, smooth rocks to make it look extra pretty. Now let's work on the carnivore zone. We'll add big volcanic rocks, giant stones, and some animal bones to show their wild hunting life. It will look strong and fierce, just like the meat-eating animals who live there. Let's make the herbivore zone very green. The plant-eating animals will love relaxing and nibbling plants under the big tree. Now I'm decorating the omnivore area with flowers, plants, and stones. It will be a colorful and cozy place where the animals can explore, snack, and play. Look at this amazing giant diorama! Now we're ready to welcome all the animals. The carnivores, the herbivores, and the omnivores. Let the wild adventure begin. Boa! Boas are meat eaters, which means they're carnivores. They love to snack on birds, lizards, and even small mammals. No fruits or veggies for these snakes. Young boas often hang out in trees. They're great climbers, almost like snake acrobats. Zebra. Zebras love munching on grass, leaves, and plants all day long. That makes them herbivores, which means they only eat plants. When danger comes close, zebras don't just run straight, they zig, zag, twist, and turn. Brown bear. Brown bears eat almost everything. They're called omnivores. That means they enjoy berries, nuts, roots, fish, insects, and even small animals. One day it's salmon for lunch, and the next day it's blueberries for dessert. Black panther. Black panthers are carnivores, which means they only eat meat. They hunt animals like deer, monkeys, birds, and wild pigs. They use their sharp teeth, super strong jaws, and sneaky paws to catch their dinner. No veggies on this plate. Elephant. Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. Their favorite snacks are grass, leaves, fruit, and tree bark. They eat a lot, over 300 pounds of food every single day. That's like eating 100 apples and 50 salads for lunch. Raccoon. Raccoons eat a little bit of everything. They're called omnivores. That means they enjoy fruits, berries, nuts, insects, frogs, eggs, and even leftovers from people's picnics. They're nature's sneaky snack collectors. Tiger. Tigers are big, stripy carnivores, which means they eat only meat. They love hunting deer, wild pigs, and sometimes even fish. With their sharp teeth, powerful legs, and silent paws, they're the kings of the jungle dinner table. Alpaca. Alpacas are gentle herbivores, which means they eat only plants like grass, hay, and leaves. They love nibbling all day long, almost like little fluffy lawnmowers. Their soft lips help them pick the tastiest plants. Sugar glider. Sugar gliders are tiny, flying marsupials that eat a mix of plants and animals, so they're omnivores. They love sweet nectar, juicy fruits, insects, and sometimes even small frogs. These little gliders have a super sweet tooth. Crocodile. Crocodiles are fierce carnivores, which means they eat only meat. They hunt fish, birds, mammals, and sometimes even bigger animals that come close to the water. With their super strong jaws and sharp teeth, crocodiles are the ultimate river predators. Rhino. Rhinos are huge, gentle herbivores, which means they eat only plants like grass, leaves, and branches. They spend lots of time munching on tasty greens to keep their big bodies strong and happy. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees eat lots of different foods. They're omnivores. They love munching on fruits, leaves, nuts, and seeds, but they also eat insects, bird eggs, and sometimes small animals. These clever monkeys use tools like sticks to get tasty snacks. Wolf. Wolves are fierce carnivores, which means they eat mostly meat. They hunt animals like deer, rabbits, and sometimes even bigger prey, all together as a pack. With sharp teeth and strong jaws, wolves are amazing hunters who work as a team. Giraffe. Giraffes are tall, gentle herbivores who love to eat leaves, especially from tall trees like acacias. Their super long necks help them reach the yummiest leaves way up high where other animals can't get. Red panda. Red pandas eat lots of yummy plants like bamboo leaves, fruits, and berries, so they're mostly plant lovers. But they're also omnivores, which means sometimes they snack on insects or small birds too. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are powerful carnivores who love to hunt and eat other animals. They snack on insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, and even fish. With their sharp teeth, quick reflexes, and strong claws, they're expert hunters in the wild. Capybara. Capybaras are friendly, gentle herbivores who love to eat grass, aquatic plants, and fruits. They spend lots of time munching on tasty greens near rivers and lakes, almost like big, happy lawnmowers keeping the water's edge tidy and neat. Skunk. Skunks eat a little bit of everything. They're omnivores. They munch on insects, small animals, fruits, berries, and even eggs. Skunks are super clever snack hunters who use their sharp noses to find tasty treats. Hyena. Hyenas are tough and clever carnivores who love eating meat. They hunt animals like wildebeests and zebras, but they're also great scavengers who clean up leftovers from other predators, making sure nothing goes to waste in the wild. Gorilla. Gorillas are gentle giants who love to eat plants. They're true herbivores. Their favorite foods are leaves, stems, fruits, and bamboo shoots. They spend lots of time munching and chewing in the forest. Ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs mostly eat fruits, leaves, flowers, and sap, so they're mostly plant lovers. But they're also omnivores, which means they sometimes snack on insects and small animals too. These clever climbers enjoy a colorful and tasty diet from the trees and forest floor. Cobra. Cobras are clever and deadly carnivores that eat mainly small animals like rodents, frogs, birds, and other snakes. With their sharp fangs and venom, they can catch and eat their prey quickly and safely. Sloth. Sloths are slow-moving and gentle herbivores who love to munch on leaves, twigs, and buds. They spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees, carefully chewing their leafy meals. Their slow lifestyle matches their slow digestion. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs eat a little bit of everything. They're omnivores. They love to munch on tasty insects, worms, and snails, but they also enjoy fruits, berries, and even some plants. These spiky little adventurers use their sharp noses to sniff out yummy snacks. Bald eagle. Bald eagles are powerful carnivores who mainly eat fish, but they also hunt small mammals and birds. With their sharp talons and excellent eyesight, they can spot their prey from high in the sky and swoop down to catch it in a flash. Cockatoo. Cockatoos love munching on seeds, nuts, fruits, and flowers, so they're mostly plant eaters. Their strong beaks are perfect for cracking open tough shells and reaching the yummiest parts of plants. Badger. Badgers eat all kinds of things. They're true omnivores. They love juicy earthworms, insects, and small animals, but they also enjoy fruits, roots, and even mushrooms. These digging experts use their strong paws and super snouts to sniff out snacks. Just look at these super cool animals. They look amazing. Today we worked so hard and had so much fun. We learned the names of carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. And we discovered what each animal loves to eat. We also built a wonderful diorama for all the animals to live and play in. Great job! And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new animal adventures.